Hello, my dear. Welcome to my channel Golden Nest and myself Iman Kalyan. Today, I deal with a word, a particular word that is life. Which is life? What is life? It's $1,000,000 question, my dear. It's $1,000,000 question. Can you ever think that what the life actually is? What's the purpose of life? I think very limited number of persons in the world think such kind of questions, and it is sure that they can never find the answer. So today my theme is life. What is life? From time immemorial, many philosophers, many poets, many great thinkers thought about this term, this very word, life. So I can say that it is absolutely my philosophy, and that is life is nothing but the sum total of moments, because every life passes through moments after moments. Moment comes and moment goes. It comes and it goes. And this cycle is going on forever and ever. And whatever we are leading in nowadays, I think this is not the life, whatever we are living or whatever we are leading. Because we are completely fluctuated, we are completely separated the mainstream of life. And that's why each and every person in nowadays is very confused to what life actually is. So I am telling that life is nothing but the sum total of moments. It is our duty that what we should create, what we should make our moments. I mean, if we create a great moment, we think that our life is eternal. So our life is like a garden. Our lives like a garden. It is the very garden, and we are just like a gardener. So it is our duty that whether we decorate our lives or we destroy our lives. If we decorate our lives, I mean, if we want to decorate, if we want to furnish our life, we have to be a great gardener. Okay? And if we want to destroy our lives, so it can be created or it can be destroyed just a moment. The great American poet, the great modern poet, Robert Frost, one of his poems philosophizes life in a great way, in a great manner. He said that the woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. So here the poet, actually Robert Frost is more a philosopher than a poet, because all the poems he philosophizes nature, the essence of nature, the essence of life. Whatever we today completely lost the essence of life. And that's why we are in such kind of situation which we always think that we cannot recover our lives. And that's why we all are suffering. And the limit of suffering is increased day by day. So according to Robert Frost, the woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. So here the poet emphasizes that life is nothing but a process. It's a continuous process. Okay, because we the human being are subjected to death and decay, but the possibilities, but the hopes, the possibilities are not subject to death and decay. The possibility has no death, the hopes has no death. They are beyond. They are the beyond. Our great English dramatist William Shakespeare philosophizes life from a great perspective, from a great point of view. And in his great drama Macbeth, he philosophizes life that life is nothing but a walking shadow. Our lives are nothing but a walking shadow. It's a poor player. It's a poor player. He said that it is a tale told by an idiot, full of sound and fury, signifying nothing. That means our life is insignificant. Our life is nothing but a walking shadow. Our life is momentary. It is temporary. It is not permanent. We, the very human being, are just a visitor in this planet, not the owner in this planet. And that's why, again, William Shakespeare says that we are all crawling towards death. We are all crawling towards death. I mean, we crawl. We are crossing step by step towards the kingdom of death. That is, our Indian philosophy also asserts that the very existence of human being is totally a lie, a pack of lies. It is not the true. It is not the truth. So our existence is nothing but a pack of lies, because life is nothing but an illusion. It's an illusion. False hope, vanity filled with in our lives. That is. So everything is temporary, and our very life is like that. So it should be our duty that we should always cooperate. We should be more and more cooperative. We should be more and more compassionate to one another in such kind of situations like this pandemic situations. Okay, our great poet Matthew Arnold's asserts that he philosophizes that modern human lives is nothing but a separated island in the same ocean. Our modern lives is nothing but the separated island. And each and every island is separated but situated in the same ocean, in the same seas. That is life. So my dear, this is the tragic condition of modern lives. Though we are living in the same planet, but unfortunately, we are separated from each other. We are separated from one another. We are not mentally connected, but we are living in the same planet. And these tragic things are very brilliantly portrayed in the poem of Matthew Arnold. Another great thinker, the Irish author James Joyce, very brilliantly, poignantly summarizes life, the philosophy of human life. He says that, "Welcome, O life, I go to encounter for the millionth time the reality of experience, and to forge in the smithy of my soul the uncreated conscience of my race." So the thing is that life is something which is beyond the level of our understanding. So I can say that life is not a thing to understand. Life is a thing to feel. It is a thing to realize again and again. And that is the philosophy of life. Great philosopher, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, also threw a question, that is, what is life? What is the essence of life? What is the purpose of life? And these three questions till now are remained unresolved. That is our lives, my dear. So the prime object to make this video is that we should live, or we should lead such kind of life where we can easily inspire or motivate at least one person in this world. And that is the essence, and that should be the philosophy of life. Okay, my dear, so please comment me and give me feedback how you enjoy my videos. And another thing is that please subscribe my channel and leave a comment in the comment section. Okay, thank you.